Woo! Hello, good morning, good day, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome back to Gunpla Bear Show. And today, we will have another kit, but it's not Gunpla, okay? Another. Because yeah, as I told you, we'll have a Beyblade X marathon with these parcels and also with some unboxing of my Beyblades right here. Yeah, so more on Beyblades for now because still, until today, we will still have so very busy on the end of school year works for our school. Yeah, so and again I remind I'm a teacher, so yeah, that's why. And I'm recording this time. I think it's already 2:30 a.m. in the morning, so I just finished some of my paperworks, and then right now, just before I'll go to bed, I want to have some vlog that I will do so that it will stress reliever for me. Okay, yeah. So without further ado, let's have this one here, and it's small, but it's small but terrible because yeah, I already know what it is. And as you know, I already promised you to have this on the last vlog that I have. Okay, I hope you watched the last vlog, and I'm very thankful for those people, for those persons who watch my vlogs. Okay, so without further ado, let's go, let's unleash this one. And yeah, let's unleash with my Rusty Basil Trusted Hobby Knife. Again, it's rusted, so yeah, it's just for opening boxes or unleashing boxes. Okay, let's go, let's unleash. Okay, so we unleash it, and yeah, without further ado, we have here your... Woo! This is your Beyblade X CX03 Dark... Oh, it's reversed. Precious Dark. Ooh, you can see that, man. It's very nice. Okay, so it's dark colored, it's precious, and as I know, there is also precious on the Beyblade Burst. Am I correct? Am I right? Beyblade Burst or Metal Fight or Metal Fury? Yeah. So it's your Beyblade Precious Dark 603. So this is the third release of the CX line, and as you can see, it's B680W. B680W, so the B, I don't know what is B, because right now I already know what is the meaning of those first letters, because we have 660, S660 on the John Ray, which the S is spiral, and yeah, I forgot for the wizard arc, but here I also forgot it. What's this? It's B. I think it's barrier, maybe. So B, it's called Precious Dark. Yeah. So yeah, so I think it will be something kind of a nemesis or an adversary of our main characters on Beyblade X. So this is the person who wields this Beyblade. Yeah, that person. And then we can see here that the blade is also a right spinning Beyblade, and its ratchet is 680, so it's a little bit higher, and plus with the assist blade maybe more higher. Then its bit is W, which as I know that is a wedge. Am I right? Is it wedge or wheel? I think it's wedge. Okay, so it's CX or no, the blade consists of its gear chip, which the gear chip is this one right here. That one, it's the dark the Precious kind. There's a helmet, and it's like violet, dark violet color gear chip, and then its blade right here, the main blade. Woo, it's like a flowers spiking up. It doesn't have any kind of spikes, but it has a little bit rounded, soft kind of sides, but it still has some edges. And then its assist blade is B. Maybe, as I know, maybe that's B is a barrier. Maybe that's the meaning of it. And yeah, that is so much for it. And yeah, as you can see there also, I think it can reflect or deflect some attacks of some other Beyblades. Yeah, but still it depends on the luck of the Beyblade when it's playing in the stadium. And yeah, the detail is very nice. And as I know, there is a set which together with the new, but I think it's just the color, the new pink It's at the pink railed Beyblade X Stadium. And together with that, you will have, or you will get a white Precious Dark and a red Dran Brave. Yeah, I think they have the same parts. It's just the colors that differs. Okay, so yeah, so same as usual, guys. We will also have an unboxing, a spin test, and a test battle of this Beyblade X CX-03, which is your Precious Dark, and together with your Dran Brave and your Wizard Arc. And maybe we will do it next vlog already, because yeah, as I promised, I will really give priority to this line for now, because yeah, it's on the meta. It's the one that's very, very new, and I know some Beybladers right there really want to know about the different information about these Beyblades. Okay, so yeah, that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like these kinds of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to be informed for our next videos. And I'm sorry for the dogs, they're just barking outside. Yeah, okay, so that's it for now. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gumblebear Show signing off. Dogs, that's our dogs. Okay, maybe they see something outside. Ooh. Maybe they see the Precious Dark. Okay, that's it. Thank you and goodbye. Peace out. Good night. Because yeah, I will sleep. Bye. Woo. Woo. So, if you reach this part of my video, please comment down there below hashtag Jake the Beyblader and have the chance to be shout out on our next video. That's it. Thank you so much.